is my lazy wash day hair routine where I don't really want to spend all day washing my hair, but it does need to get washed. Where I condition and then I just have to get in the shower and then shampoo and then condition and all of that and then style it, so belong. I'm going to deep condition using the S Secrets treatment mask to get every single strand of hair on my head in sections. I'm not going to repeat the same process over the rest of my head. I'm now done applying the treatment mask to my hair, so now I am going to put the steamer to steam my hair. Like, let me just show you what we're going to do. Before applying the steam cap, we need to put the shower cap on. Leave this on for 30 minutes. The next step is my shampoo routine, and we're going to be using the S Secrets Keratin shampoo. After shampooing and conditioning, I got out of the shower and then I massaged some leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair, and then I put it into 2 braids. Since it's summer, I'm going to be getting in the pool a lot, so I just do simple leave-in conditioner and then 2 braids. This is my simple summer hair wash day routine. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.